Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. Hope so you all are fine. So now in this lecture I will tell you what really the security problems in IPS. If you listen the previous lecture clearly and understand it properly, you just know that basically the IP packet is not protected in any way. That anyone can access the router. If anyone can access the router, it can read and modify the user data in the packet. So IP packets are not authenticated, and it is fairly easy to generate an IP packet with arbitrary source IP address. So it means that my IP is not secure. So there are some ways to secure it. We will further move on and I'll see how to secure this. But now here I am telling you about the security problems. So there is another problem which says that traffic analysis, that even if user data is encrypted, if the data is encrypted, one can easily determine who is communicating with whom by just observing the address information in the IP headers. So this means IP headers are not encrypted, and the other thing here is IP address is showing. And then the next point coming here is information exchange between routers to maintain their routing table is not often authenticated. So again the same issue of the authentication, like this whole TCP IP suite is basically designed on the basis of communication, not on the basis of security. So on the basis of communication, when this whole TCP IP suite is deployed all around the world, then they will figure out that there are issues of security. So then they implement new protocols on the same suite and try to make it protected. So right now we are listening here are the security problems in the IP that shows what really the problems they are facing. Then the other problem here coming here is correcting routing table updates can be modified or faked. Ones can be disseminated. So if you have a routing table, you can do anything whatever you want to do. But really the outcomes of this is this may disrupt routing table completely. It may also facilitate erase dropping, modification and monitoring of traffic. It may cause congestion of links or routers, which is called denial of service. So let's meet you in next lecture and we will see what really the IP spoofing is. Till now, good luck and hope for the best. Allah Hafiz.